Hey guys, this is Emperor Chaos, your favorite crypto teacher. I'm here again to teach you. I'm here again to tell you and to reveal. Because I used to reveal, I used to teach, and I used to make people know and be aware of a new update. Gang, it's plenty here. So we are going to work direct, and I will open up and tell you guys a site where you can bet and earn in the cryptocurrencies. You know, we are in the crypto world. We are in the crypto world. You don't have to be late. You don't have to depend on that your salary. You have to earn in the crypto world. That's what makes you a crypto trader. Yeah. A lot of millionaires, billionaires have been made through crypto. And you might be one of them soon. Who knows? Yeah, so I'm gonna teach us now. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Click this button here and turn on the notification bell so that next time you post video, you'll be notified, so that you won't miss any of my videos, because all my videos teach a lot. You can ask others, you teach a lot. So I don't want you to be losing, I don't want you to be lacking behind. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to start now. But get your writing material, let's start as you know, as we roll, You don't waste time. You don't waste time in teaching here. We are going to start. But I would like you to do something for me. Always drop a comment. And always share my video. Copy my link and go to your social media and share it. Let others join, and remember to subscribe. Remember to tell somebody about this particular channel, Emperor Chaos. You will learn a lot about crypto. I'm your crypto trader. I'm your crypto teacher. Alright, here we go. Discover91creation.com. So it's loading my network. Will always be my network. But then let's go. Okay, here you will find out that you want to put your phone number. This one they doesn't require email, they require phone number and password with invite code. So then be careful when typing this password so that you can be able to remember it whenever you want to log into the site again. So let me put my password. Okay, I have logged in the site. So you can see how amazing and beautiful the site is. So it says enter the official Telegram group to receive 3 TRS reward. In order to celebrate the official launch of the game invested in 91 Creation, the following activities will be carried out. Blah 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 blah. He's telling you about the welcome bonus. Yes, but you have some procedures to pass through before you could be able to get the $3 TRS reward. So if you can be able to do that, yes, you will get the reward, hopefully. So you can see how many people online in this side, 516 people. You can see how amazing. Oh wow, this is where the thing gets more enticing. Like you see where you will see people that withdraw. You can see this one withdraw more than 900 USDT. You know how much is done now. This one, wow, this one is 5,000 something. Jesus, you can see a lot of proof that this site has been working and is paying a lot, and is paying hugely to people that started on time. And you that is yet to start, you will still gain more. Definitely you will still gain more. So you can see Binance, KuCoin, Onyx, Tron, and those apps you see here are apps that you can use. Those apps you can use them to purchase and fund your sites so that you can start. Alright. So you can see people and the total revenue in the site. Yeah. So let's go here. You can see agreement type. We have TRX, we have TRC20, we have BEP 20, we have BNB, we have legal tender. So this TRO, if you want to use USDT, make sure you are the address you are copying is TRC20 so that you won't lose your assets. Because instead of we have TRC20 and BEP20, anyone you are copying make sure you are copying right, so that you will lose your asset here and say that teacher Chaos did this and did this. No. Okay, this one now this one is their address. Once you copy this address, you can paste it in any of your wallet where you want to use to fund this. It might be Tron, it might be Binance, it might be Trust Wallet, it might be BC, that's blockchain. So once you copy it, you press confirm to confirm that you have copied it, and you went there. You have to go there directly and deposit. After depositing, and I came to realize that this group, this site, they are giving their betting plan in that Telegram group that you are asked to register. Okay, as you can see now, many people are still coming in this site. More than 891 people online. Okay, people come, people go, yet people earn. So that's just it. You can see the plans here. 150 points, a lot of features. That's why I just love this place, and it's very real. It's very real. 91creation.com is not just a site, but it's a money-making site where you can build up a huge amount of cryptocurrencies. And said, like, you will be happy you did, because I have earned a lot. I have earned over 1,000 USDT from here. I'm just telling you the one I have earned, but you might earn more than me. Who knows? So that's it. A lot of even the referral commissions is mind blowing. The referral commission is mind blowing. You can see it yourself. Agent level, you can see a very nice site. So what I'm going to tell you is that when you want to start something like this, you don't just start with any amount. Just start with any amount you have. Don't just start investing. If like their minimum deposit here is around 50 TRS, so start with the one that you can be able to deposit. Don't just go and borrow to invest in any site. I'm not just saying it in this site alone. Any other site, don't borrow to invest. Don't borrow. It's not a financial advice, though. Yeah, you don't borrow to invest, and especially this site, they earn through betting. That's to say that in their Telegram group, they give betting plans daily, and they have 100% chances of winning. 100% chances of winning. They don't lose. They don't lose that much. They don't lose. I have told them where they don't lose. So don't make yourself an scapegoat by saying that I'm fearing maybe they will lose. No, they're not going to lose. I promise you that. So I know you learned a lot through this video. So you just chill. And I know more updates are coming. One thing I will ask you to be doing for me is to be doing more, like keep sharing my video and inviting friends to like my channel. Thank you.